Hi, I'm Andy Lade, and today we're doing something different. We've got a load of different games which I've discovered, and I'll try and talk you through them as we go along. This is called Warmle. I'm just going to put some letters, a word in, drive, right. So what it basically is if you're warm, it's yellow, so you've got to be within 3 letters. So that could be an E, or that could be F. So it'd be C, B, C, D, no, C, D, and E, or G, H, and I. And then that's going to be B, C, D, E, F, G, and H, if you get what I mean. So the E, P, Q, R, S, T, and U, W, X, and Y. So it's kind of more like a S, an S, and then a D, something like used, but obviously not. So that'd be something like, it could be C, something S, D, F, G, H, or right, it could be an H actually, so it could be something like clash. Right, right, there you go. So we've got a C, an L, the S is close, so it's probably a T, so cloth. Cloth it is, so that's a Warmle. And now we're on to a Fibble. Now I find these ones the most difficult of all, to be honest. What basically, right, let's just put a word in. So basically, it's if you get like get your words out, and if you get letters showing up, one of them is going to be wrong. Right, so we've got 3 letters there. One of these is wrong. So the E might be there, but the T might not be. The A might not be in the word at all. The A might be there or there. So let's try awake. Right, so the E could still be there, and that could be the word which isn't the letter which is showing as false. So that could be something, A, something E. Right, let's try flare. Oops. Right. So, right, the E is back, the L is there, the A is showing. Now that could be that the A is in the right place. It's just showing, but it's not. But it could actually be in the right place. So that could be the one which is the Fibble in that line. Or of course it could be that the L just isn't in there at all. So right, let's try Glade. Right, right, I think the L, A, and E are actually in there. The G isn't. Or the D, it can't be L-A-G-E, can it? That isn't the word. So I think the L, A, and E are right. What letters haven't we used? Quite difficult to work out which letters you haven't used. I'm gonna right, so the F, the R, I don't think are in it at all. I don't think, the T could be. No, I don't think the T is in it. The S, I don't think is in it. I think it was just showing an S, but or it could be actually, it could be something, or lays. Right, I'm gonna go with, right, let's go with, what can I go with? Blase. See if our S is right. Right. So I think. All right. I think it's blame. I think it's blame. It is. Wow. I must admit, I do find that. I've only done these, started doing these yesterday. I had a quick go last night. So this is the first time I've done them. Right, this quintessential, all the letters are U. My screen isn't very, my screen's a bit bright, so I can't really see which one's a green and which one's a yellow on this. I think that's a yellow. The theme is dark. So I think that, right. So we're gonna, right, I think that's gonna be shady. So an S? Right, so if we move the S by there, from there, move the S and the N. Right, so we need to move a D to there, which would leave a Y on the end, so that's fine. So that's going to be unlit. There's only the one U. Right, okay. And then if we move that one to there, that word would be night. Or do we have to move that I maybe for a G? No, the G. Right, so that's going to be night. Right, that's going to be murky, I think. So we move that one but to there. Right, that's going to be unlit, that's going to be night. So, right, let's do, right, so that's going to be murky. That's going to be muted. Not sure why muted is dark. So there you go. So I guess, oops. No, as you can see, right, I've, first time here. As you can see, theme dark. So it's unlit, shady, night, murky, muted. I'm not really sure why muted is dark. Now we're going on to Wordle peaks. Right, let me try, I'll try to remember how this goes. Right, so, right, the S is in the right place. The O is, the letter in the O is higher. As you can see, it's got P to Z, and the U and the N are lower. So something higher than an O, so it could be S-T, we need something, what we don't want to really put in letters, I guess, is an A, because then it's always going to be higher than an A, isn't it, if it's wrong. So you want to put something, so you want to put letters which are sort of middle of the alphabet, really, which the U probably wasn't a good guess. But we could put S-T-E, right, we could put still. Right, oh, right, okay. So the I, right, so it's S-T, the I is going to be smaller, and the L is going to be smaller. So it could be steel, S-T-E-A-L, or it could be S-T-E-E-L. It could be, I think you're trying to think of it. It's got to be, a vowel there, and it S-T. So it's got to be, right, we'll try steel. Oh, right, steel it is, there you go. So that's a good one. Now this one is, waffle. So this is the same as the quintessential one, really, but it hasn't got a theme to it. So, right, so the L by here is, right, the L by there, I guess, is going to be there. So that's going to be halve. But the U wasn't, it didn't swap for the U. And the R there is in the wrong place. The I is in the wrong place. It can't be, so the I has to be there. Oops. The I has to be there, I guess. Livid? No, it can't be livid. All right, and the E there. So Alright, so that A must be by there. Oops. So that's going to be penal or renal. Or if it's renal, it'll be lurid. Right, let's put that by there. We'll put that one by there. So we now got what words we got by here? So that's either going to be DR something, or right. Let's try DR. Right, so it's DR, and that is going to be right. I think that right. Okay, let's try this. I think right. We'll try this. We put okay up. We'll try Drake by here. Sorry, this isn't picking the letters up, unfortunately. And that's going to be apnea. So this is going to be leash. Right, and there you go. That's a waffle. And we've got one more to do. Oh no, that's it. We've done 5 on me. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, 5. In 11 minutes, which is pretty good because I've only ever had one attempt at this, which was last night at all of these. So I'm quite happy with that. If you come here and you watch these and you've enjoyed it, please do consider subscribing, giving me a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you know of any different games like this, which are other than Wordles, that you'd like to see. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.